Hello everyone, I hope you are all fine. Here with me I've got a question which is Earth geometry and the year is 2023 and question 7A. So the first question reads as the points A, B and D are on the surface of the Earth as shown in the diagram. Take pi as 3.142 and radius as 6370 kilometer. This is the Earth, as you can see. Next, the next question says, find the difference in latitude between points A and D. Point A and D. You have been told to find the difference in latitude. In what? Latitude. Between points A and D. So latitude is in this line. So you have to find the difference in latitude. So you check for A. The latitude for A is what? 50. So you say 50 plus. The latitude for D is what? 50. So you say, since you have been taught to find the difference in latitude between points A and D. So how do you find the difference? You check. The latitude for A is what? 50. The latitude for D is what? 50 degrees south. This is north, south. So what you do, you add 50 degrees plus 50 degrees. What do you get? You get what? 100 degrees as the question 7A1. So this is how you answer. So every time you have been given to find what? The difference in latitude between what? A and D. Once you observe that it's in this line and you've been told to find the difference, just get the latitude for that letter, which is A. Latitude for A is what? 50. Also, latitude for D is what? 50. So you add this. And be careful. Different signs, different direction, you add. Same direction, you subtract. For instance, if it was north and also maybe here north, then it means subtract. But different direction, you add. So this is 50 degrees north, 50 degrees south. So you add. So this is what the answer for question 7A1, which is AD. We come to the second question. And the second question it says, which is A2. A2 reads as, calculate in kilometers the distance between A and B along what? Latitude 50 degrees north. You have been given the direction. This is another way of asking you, find the distance between A, B. So this is the formula you use if you have been told to find the AB. AB is equal to, if you're calculating every time you face a question, it's saying calculate the distance between A and B. As long as it's distance along what? Distance along longitude, latitude. Distance along what? Latitude. This is the latitude. So the formula for distance along what? Latitude. Latitude, it means in this way. This is latitude. Also, this one is latitude. So as long as you are facing the letters, they are going in this direction. It means the distance along what? Latitude. And this is the formula. AB is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi r cos theta or y. You can choose either, you can say theta or y. And how do you find the angle they want to put there? Since you have been told to find AB, this is distance along latitude. If you have been given distance along latitude, you add the longitudes for the letters. So the longitude for A is what? 20 plus. Longitude for B is what? 40. You add 20 plus 40, you get what? You get what? 20 plus 40, you get what? 60. The next thing you do, since you know the angle that it's 60, so you say AB is equal to 60 over 360 times 2 pi, they gave us it was what? 3.142 times. Radius they gave us in the question, which is 6370 times cos. How do I find the cos? The one to put in front. Where the letters they are passing AB, it's passing, what angle is that? 50 degrees. So it's the one you put there. So you punch on your calculator, you will say 360 divided by 360 times 2 times 3.142 times 6370 times cos 50. You get this one. AB equals to 4,288.366,109. Now, if in the question they didn't tell you to leave to number of significant figure, always according to the instructions on the question paper in front, it says leave your answer to 3 significant figure. So you check your answer, which is 42, you get 1 from 8, you give to this 8, it becomes what? 9, and then this one becomes what? 0. So as you can see, this is 3 significant figure. If you leave it here, it can penalize you. So be careful when you are answering. Make sure leave your answer to what? 3 significant figures for your safety. So this is how you answer question 7A2. Now we go to A3. A3 says calculate in kilometers the distance between B and C along longitude 40 degrees east. So once you have been told to find the what? To find the distance between B, C. As you can see, this is distance along what? Longitude. So once you have been told to find the distance along what? Longitude. This is longitude. Have you seen BC? So this is the formula. So you say BC is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. So how do I find the angle here, which is the theta? You check. Since you have been given BC, you have been given what? BC. Since you have been given what? BC. BC. This is distance along what? Longitude. If you have been given distance along what? Longitude. You add the latitudes for the letters. So latitude for B is what? 50, which is this one, plus latitude for C is what? 50. So you add 50 plus 50, it's what? 100. So it's the one you put here where there is theta, which is this one. So BC is equal to 100 over 360 times 2 times 3.142 times 63 what? 70. The next thing you do, you say 100 divided by 360 times 2 times 3.142 times 63, 70. You get what? BC equals to 11119 point. This is a point 1889. Now, when you read the instruction from the question paper, it says leave your answer to what? 3 significant figure. So as you can see here, there is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you do, you check. This one you can't add to this, so it will be just 1, 1, 1. Because this one you can't add to that, so they have to become what? Zeros. If you can't get anything, you only get these 3 numbers, and then these they become what? Zeros. So you even indicate kilometer. Thank you very much for following. I hope you have enjoyed. Stay blessed.